Law of Attraction, How to Select a Life Partner. Most people search for a partner, either for life or at least for a while. But how do we choose the right one? We meet hundreds of people in the course of our daily lives. And what makes two people pick one another is just a bit of the thousand pieces of challenges. In selecting an ideal partner, some factors may include behavioral and physical characteristics as well as personality features of a person that most of the time is desirable to us. Some people say that opposite attracts. Will it be true? Well, let's find out. Here are 5 examples of how the law of attraction affects a person's decision-making to select a life partner. 1. Exposure and familiarity. We grow to like those people around us and with whom we have frequent contact. The more time we spend with someone, the greater the chances that we'll like, accept and fall in love with that person. Daily contact can turn strangers into friends and somewhat develops a more intimate connection as time goes by. 2. Physical attraction. Physical beauty is an important life advantage, and it is of fundamental significance in the mating game. Bottom line, you do not want to spend your life with someone you find physically repellent. 3. Personality and character. Competence and warmth are the 2 personality factors that are considered to be desirable according to the research on the personality factors that attract us to others and others to us. Competent people, that is to say, intelligent and socially skilled, are considered more attractive, as well as kind people with warm personalities. Warm and wise is a winning pair in the mate selection tournament. 4. Proximity. Most people will marry someone who lives within walking or driving distance. Who would like to be in a long-distance relationship anyway, right? Well, we are unlikely to persist in a relationship or get married to someone who's a transatlantic flight away, not unless you would like to take this as a challenge or add it to your adventures. Long-distance relationships are more difficult to nurture, and they survive much less often. In life, it isn't nice to dance alone. Except for doing it for your TikTok post maybe. Remember, it takes 2 for a tango. 5. Similarity. This is without a doubt the most powerful finding in this area. We are drawn to people who are like us. On almost every parameter of background, personality, values, and experience, we prefer someone who has a lot in common with us over someone who is totally different from us. One reason for this preference is that it's easier for us to communicate, understand, know, and trust someone who speaks our language, gets our culture, and shares our values. Selecting a lifetime partner does not necessarily obey the dictates of rationality, social standing, cultural pressures, or even our own conscious will, plans, or intentions. At the end of the day, as the philosopher Blaise Pascal said, the heart has reasons that reason doesn't understand. So no matter what your decision would be, as always, be yourself. Be you. Like this post and don't forget to subscribe if you want to put a smile on my face. Thanks a bunch. See you.